Greetings, lovely people. Welcome back to my kitchen. Thank you all so much for the love and support. I really appreciate you. Silent viewers, big up yourself. To all my channel members and all my supporters, a big thank you. If this is your first time, a warm welcome to you. While you're here, hit that red subscription button, put that post notification bell on so you'll be notified of future upload. Let's make brown stew chicken.
Yeah, man, cinnamon. For you hear the voice, you're supposed to know say a chat boss, right? I'm gonna represent for the best cooking channel you don't know. You must say, Sister J, the food tastes nice, Caribbean cuisine, so please subscribe. As you start cooking, you have to do it every time. Share with my friend them, comment, like, sister.
So here are the ingredients for my brown stew chicken. In fact, I was gonna do curry chicken, but I changed my mind. So here are the ingredients for my brown stew chicken: scallion, onion, bell pepper, ginger, garlic, paprika, chicken seasoning, black pepper, garlic powder, and all-purpose seasoning. Go ahead and get the bell pepper, the onion, the garlic, the ginger, and the scallion cut up in the desired size that I want it. I wash the chicken with vinegar and lime.
Sister J.
I'm gonna go ahead and season the chicken. I'm adding the chicken seasoning, followed by the black pepper, then the garlic powder, all-purpose seasoning.
Spices them mix, where the definition of
which is the salt-free seasoning. I'm adding some paprika,
Sister J food are the best, just believe. Sister J when I mean for be rude, but from your post a recipe, it don't get views. I could have single library in a crew. Everybody knows Sister J.
now I'm adding some dry thyme, followed by the ginger and garlic. Now I'm adding a small portion of avocado oil, and I'm just gonna massage this chicken up.
Sister J, Caribbean cuisine.
After seasoning the chicken, I cover and put in the refrigerator overnight. So the pot is on the fire. So now I'm adding the oil. Followed by the garlic and the ginger. And as you can see, I don't have a lot of oil in the pot, but that's okay because the chicken is gonna, spring some oil because there's still a little fat on the chicken. Yes. So I don't want to put too much oil in the pot. Because after frying the chicken, I'm gonna drain the oil off anyway. So now I'm adding the chicken to the pot. And for this chicken, I'm not gonna add browning to that because, the paprika give it a nice color, So no browning in this stew chicken. As you can see, the chicken is frying nicely. So I'm just gonna brown them up nicely and then drain the oil off, and then we continue with the process. If you're here for the first time and you're not yet connected with me, go ahead and hit that red subscription button. Put that post notification bell on so you'll be notified of future upload. Right here in Sister J's kitchen, I cook food, I talk about food, and of course, I eat food. As you can see now, I pour some of the oil off and I'm adding the carrots to the pot.
Sister J, Caribbean cuisine. We're from that place, so cook the best, cook the best. Best place for his recipe of the you, to you. Sister J, that place so we
Now
cook
I'm
the
adding
best.
some water.
Spices them mix, and where the definition of cook food the best. Sister J, Sister J,
Adding some
cook round the
tomatoes,
fever. Make little picnic get up from round the fever.
followed by some dried thyme.
Because they want to dinner. Sister J food are the best, just believe.
Now
Sister
I'm
J
adding the
cooking.
scallion, the
Cook
onion, the
food
bell
so good.
pepper,
It a forget
the
fi mention. Could a
parsley,
single library in a crew. Everybody knows Sister J have the best food.
and now I'm adding some
The
pimento.
best, know the rest. Next place we post up on the food.
Just gonna mix
For the
and
recipe.
combine.
Place so full of mix. Our spices them mix. And we the definition of cook foods. The best, the best, best.
Now I'm adding some
Sister J.
all-purpose seasoning.
Caribbean cuisine, I don't know the best food is in a real life, man. Tell you. So you want the best recipes, Sister J, right channel they're up on right now.
Then I'm
We
adding
don't
some
never hide
black
the best
pepper.
recipes. Sister J, oh gosh, man.
And guys, this pot smells so good.
Sister J,
And as I mentioned before, I was going to do curry chicken, and then I changed my mind. That's why they cut up so small, but that's okay.
Caribbean
Because I like
cuisine.
my curry chicken cut up very small. But I changed my mind from the curry.
Yeah.
Yeah, so now I'm going to cover this pot and let it simmer down. And look at that. Look at my brown stewed chicken. Yes, guys, I'm just going to have this simmer down a few more minutes. And then we have some brown stewed chicken. And there you have it, my lovely people. My brown stewed chicken is ready. Look at that. And I serve this brown stewed chicken with baked sweet potato along with some broccoli. I thank you all so much for watching. Please remember to like, share, and comment. And if you haven't yet subscribed, what you wait pan, just go ahead, man, do the do. Take care of yourself and loved ones. Be safe. Live good, walk good, pray good. One love. Bless up yourself. Please subscribe for more from Sister J's Caribbean Cuisine, where I talk about food, I cook food, and of course, I eat food. Bless up yourself.